Hi everyone, it's Kim, and I'm back with another review slash giveaway, and this one is actually going to be for a Facebook shop, and many of you guys are used to these who are mommies that watch my channel because a lot of people participate in giveaways and also like to buy stuff that they can actually see quality in the pictures. So Monkey Mama was nice enough to send me a pacifier clippy. This is what it looks like. I chose the camouflage one for Carter, and it actually holds your pacifier and clips right onto the shirt and does not come off. It's very, very sturdy. It's very, very nice. I've actually took pictures of this and put this on my blog, so make sure you check out the full review there. It's very easy to take off and put on. It has a very nice clip button on it, as I shall say. And then as well, if you want to clean it, the other side pops off just as well. So if you can just, if they get spit up or something, you can just throw it right in the wash. Now that's not the only thing that she actually sells on her Facebook shop. She actually has the pacifier holders, she has tutus, she has bows and tulle puffs and yo-yos, smock dresses, and I believe a couple other things. So there's many different options. So if you're interested in participating in this giveaway, of course you're going to have to go on her Facebook and pick out your own fabrics. So all the rules and requirements will be listed down below, and I'll talk to all you guys later. Bye.